Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Gymshark training and fitness workout app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Gymshark Training and Fitness is a workout app designed to help users plan, track, and follow structured fitness routines. Originally built to support Gymshark's fitness community, the app now features a wide variety of programs created by professional trainers and athletes. It offers guided workouts, customizable plans, and detailed exercise demonstrations. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports home workouts, gym routines, and multi-week training challenges. The app's main feature is its library of step-by-step workouts. You can choose strength training, mobility, functional training, or athlete-style programs. Users can customize sessions, save routines, and track their progress using sets, reps, and weights. The video demonstrations help ensure correct form, and many programs follow clear progression structures for consistent improvement. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean layout, professional workout programs, and the ability to follow routines used by well-known athletes. The exercise demonstrations are easy to follow, and the customizable workout builder is useful for people who want to design their own training plans. The app also works well for beginners who need guidance and for advanced users looking to improve performance. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced programs require a subscription, and free content may feel limited for experienced lifters. A few users mention loading delays during workouts, and progress tracking tools aren't as detailed as some competitors. Additionally, the app is fitness-focused and doesn't include nutrition plans or recovery guides that some users may expect. In summary, the Gymshark Training and Fitness app may be worth using if you want structured, athlete-designed workout plans, clear exercise demonstrations, and an easy-to-use interface for gym or home training. However, if you prefer deeper analytics, nutrition features, or a fully free experience, it might not be the most complete option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.